Today we're making sweet potato cake. Come on in, welcome to my home. Today we're gonna do something different because everybody who you know is probably either making cookies or fruit cake, and you wanna make something different. Well, this you can make. You can make something different which will improve your next holiday, whatever you're doing for the holidays, or even if it's not for the holidays. This is sweet potato cake, which is a variation on carrot cake. Super simple to do. The one thing that you are going to have to work on is making shredded sweet potatoes. Just take sweet potatoes and shred them. Uncooked, they just get shredded just like you would a carrot. All the ingredients are listed down below. Don't forget to check that descriptions for some of the links to some of the products that I use and the ingredients that I use. You can get those there too, but this is so easy. I mean, super easy. You can do this, no problem. But let's get started. So I'm going to take my flour, baking soda, and cinnamon. We are going to combine those. Ooh, smells good already. That smells really good. Now, if you wanted to, you could add ginger, you could add, all sorts of different spices, whatever spices you like. Once that's combined, I'm gonna set it aside. Now, we are going to take I'm using olive oil. You can use just regular vegetable oil. There we go. I've even done this with half olive oil, half coconut oil. Work just as well. And sugar. I'm using raw sugar. Do you have to use raw sugar? No, you can use whatever sugar you like. I do not know about brown sugar. It would work, but I've never ever tried it. So I will not say, yeah, sure, it'll work perfectly. But it should. And then we have a pinch of sea salt. My oven is preheated to 350 degrees. My pans are greased well. I'm going to do a little scrape, not that it needs it. Now to that I'm going to add my egg, preferably one at a time, however, we'll see. Okay, I'm actually sort of impressed that I got the egg in there one at a time. Alright, now I'm going to add my flour mixture on low, nice and slow. You want to mix that till it's just incorporated. Don't go too far because, of course, it'll get tough. Now we're going to add our other two ingredients. This is our shredded sweet potato. Those sweet potatoes were peeled and shredded. That super has a pumpkin bread smell to it, like really pumpkin bready. Now our pecans, you could use walnuts, you could use whatever nuts you want. We are all mixed. We are ready to go. Scrape. You could do this in a loaf pan, it's just going to cook a little bit different. Since we are using cake pans, I'm going to take these to the oven and cook them for about 25 to 35 minutes. Keep an eye on them. Check them after 20 minutes and see if you can put a cake tester in the center. And if it comes out clean, they are done. Once they're done, you're going to take them out of the oven, cool them, and remove them from the pans. Alright, while our cakes are cooling, let's make the frosting. This is an experiment. I'll let you know if it works out. All the ingredients, as I said in the beginning of this recipe, are listed down below, and since this is an experiment, I'm not going to do it as a separate recipe. But that is our brown sugar. This is heavy whipping cream. I'm going to put those two things together. And you really want to mix this until it is smooth. Of course, you're now saying it's never going to be smooth because there's not enough stuff in there. But you're right. So I'm going to add room temperature cream cheese. This is definitely one of those things you really have to mix. Alright, now on low, I'm going to add our powdered sugar. How much is going to depend upon your day. I'm going to say about 1.25 cups. Okay, this was always intended to be a nude cake or naked cake, so we don't really need that much icing. We'll just put some on the top. Spread a nice layer. Once you have a nice covering of frosting, we're going to put our second layer on top. As I have said 100 times, I am not a cake decorator. Now we'll smooth that over the top. Yes, I want some drips hanging down. Alright, let's give this a taste. That is moist. That is delicious. That is so good. I'm amazed at this. Now, if you make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home. This is something that people are not going to be bringing to your next holiday party, but it's so good. I hope you make this. Let me know how it comes out, and I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.